All right, Ryan, Amanda last night had mentioned that we all were able to step out at least briefly yesterday for an afternoon walk. Sounds like this is another good one for it.
Yeah, another good day today, too. And we've got a few clouds moving in, which may bring a little shade if it got a little warm for some people. But we don't have anything that's all that humid. I want to talk a little bit about next week. And I mentioned this a couple times yesterday. There is going to be a lot of heat building through the middle part of the country. It's going to be making headlines like 90s for days out here with high humidity. It looks like for us, we are going to be positioned kind of on the edge of the real warmth. It never really gets in here. But what that will mean for us is the jet stream is nearby, and around these big ridges of high pressure, you can occasionally get some waves of showers and storms. Doesn't look like we'll get anything that's, all-day washouts or anything like that. But there may be a couple little chances for showers next week. But overall, our temperatures look to be probably lower 80s, and the real heat stays probably to our west. Pennsylvania through the Ohio Valley gets into that through the middle of next week. Out there now, it is very comfortable. We're near 80 in southern Maine, but the dew points are in the 50s, 60s up north, and that's because we do have some more clouds up in that direction. There you see the dew points all below 60 across the state right now. A few clouds up in northern Maine, and actually in some cases a lot of clouds here. And then we have some mid and high level clouds streaming across southern Maine. We still have this trough nearby, so we may pop up a shower this afternoon, primarily inland, but I don't think we'll have the thunderstorms like we saw yesterday. This is tomorrow's weather maker, and the rain really comes in two rounds. The first will be with this warm front that arrives in the morning with showers and maybe a few downpours. It's not going to rain continuously all morning, though. This should lift through, and we likely get a little break for the middle of the day tomorrow, particularly in central and southern Maine. We'll have to see how much sun develops to our west, though, because that could trigger a line of showers and storms that rolls through later in the day tomorrow. And there is a risk for an isolated severe storm, particularly in southern Maine, central and southern New Hampshire, especially if any of those storms can feed off some midday sun. Here's a closer look at the timeline. 4 o'clock this afternoon, little sea breeze kicks up at the coast, chance for a spotty shower inland, but I think most places are dry through the day today. Midnight tonight, some showers developing to the west, and those slide east so that by daybreak tomorrow, it's pretty wet at times, but again, not raining everywhere first thing. This line of showers should move north and east so that by 9 o'clock, we're probably already drying out in southern Maine while it's still wet through the mountains, northern and eastern Maine, a few showers passing through. And then here's the midday break. We probably don't see a ton of sunshine, but we may get a few breaks here and there, and that could trigger a stronger thunderstorm coming in from the west between about 3 or 4 in the afternoon and 6 or 7 in the evening. Again, not everybody will see them, but in this part of the state, there could be an isolated thunderstorm during that time. Then for the weekend, the system pulls away, but high pressure is still kind of far to our west. So we've got a chance for a pop-up shower both Saturday and Sunday afternoons. I don't think there's going to be a lot of rain, though, so it looks like a pretty good weekend overall. Seas tomorrow, or I should say this afternoon, 2 to 3 feet with a southerly wind 5 to 10 knots on the water. So it's partly sunny today, temps up near 80 with just a spotty shower. Showers and thunder likely tomorrow. Again, a morning round, a midday break, and then a chance to get a shower or storm again late in the day. Weekend's pretty good. It looks comfortable too. Look at the overnight lows in the 50s. So humidity will be low this weekend. And then it's a little stickier early next week. I think there could be a shower or storm on Tuesday. But again, it doesn't look like anything that's going to be a big deal with pretty seasonal temps heading into what is the week of the 4th, guys.
Yeah, busy week.
Yeah.
A lot of us will be outside. All right,
Yeah.
Ryan, thanks so much.
You're welcome.